Good afternoon, viewers. I'm Nurul Pramadani Langsar, bringing to the latest news for today. Teenagers with the initial MI and Indomaret employee in Kajang Sub-District died after being hit by a tree on the Poros Alu Road in the Ujungwaya Sub-District on Saturday, September 7, 2024 ago. One of the victim's relatives confirmed the incident. He said the victim died from being hit by tree while jogging. He explained that at the time the connection was heading to his workplace at Indomaret Kajang via the Alu Access Road in Kamato village in the middle of the road suddenly. The rubber tree that was on the side of the road collapsed and hit him. Hadi, one of the officials from the Bulukumba district, fire department who was met at the scene said the victim suffered serious head injuries due to being hit by a falling tree. I'm Nurul Pramadani Langsar. Thank you for today.